So if you decide to extract a tooth, either due to a root canal or due to a tooth fracturing, or it's unsavable, so you've had a root canal and you decide, I don't want a root canal, I want to remove the tooth, then what are your options to replace the missing teeth? So basically the options are something removable or something glued in. So if it's removable, then this is a little partial denture which can be put inside the mouth. This is made of nylon, so it's completely biocompatible, and so that can be used to replace the missing tooth. Trouble is, it does pack some food underneath it, but for people who are looking for a cheaper alternative and something that is completely biocompatible, then that is certainly a way to replace the missing tooth. If you're looking for something to function more like a natural tooth, then we have, in old style dentistry, a bridge, which means we crown the tooth behind, crown the tooth in front, and glue a tooth in between. But in that process, we've had to damage the teeth on either side. So they could be virgin teeth, or they could be teeth that are weak and need strengthening with a crown. But if they don't need strengthening, we're cutting healthy tooth structure away, which some people don't want to do. And so that's why we developed implants. So we now have implants whereby we've placed a new root of tooth in the bone, and that's working well. And so we've placed a new root of tooth in the bone, and then we've glued a crown on top. So this is an implant whereby we've put a model of implant. So we've put a new metal or zirconia pin into the bone. We've let that heal such that it's glued to the bone. Then we can screw a crown to the top, and that functions like a normal natural tooth, and we haven't had to damage the teeth on either side.